4 out of 5 manufacturers in MotoGP use them. 18 of the 22 riders, that's more than 80% of the MotoGP grid in 2023, use these exhaust systems. Let's find out a little bit more about Akrapovič exhausts. The main function of the exhausts are to pull away those hot gases produced during combustion inside the engine and use them to improve engine performance. The exhaust manifolds are the first part of the exhaust system. They attach onto the exhaust port itself. Made from titanium, these pieces are carefully constructed to ensure a perfect connection with the port, ensuring no loss of power. Primary tubes merge into secondary ones. Also made from titanium, the tube diameters, radii, and thicknesses, which range between 0.65 and 1 mm, can all vary along the tube's length. They must also fit neatly into and around a limited space underneath each particular MotoGP machine. The exhaust valve acts as an additional flow retardation device. The valve increases negative engine torque once the throttle is closed, which helps to reduce the speed of the rear wheel and thus increases braking performance. 130 decibels is the maximum noise level allowed by the regulations, which means that mufflers are not needed in MotoGP, as 130 decibels is quite loud. That leads to a lot of freedom of design, and so often lots of different tailpipe shapes are used. The grating covering the tailpipe prevents debris and stones from entering the exhaust, protecting the engine in case of a crash. Everything is titanium. Why? Well, titanium is around 40% lighter than stainless steel and offers excellent oxidation resistance. A MotoGP exhaust system is very light, with its total weight below 5 kilograms or 11 pounds. The operational temperature of these exhausts is above 800 degrees centigrade. MotoGP exhausts are extremely durable. They have to resist high thermodynamic stress, high pressure, and vibrations for between 2,000 to 3,000 kilometers of race use. Exhausts for inline-4 engines are the most complicated to make because the space is much more limited, so the exhaust has to be more compact and it requires more precision in construction. That doesn't mean that exhausts for V4 engines are easy to make though, because as you can see, they vary quite a lot and also they require more components. Lightweight titanium material, expertly crafted tubes, that's why exhausts in MotoGP are simply works of art.